In this lesson, I want to talk about grid snapping and grid settings here. When you turn it off, you can click to this icon to turn grid snapping on or off. For example, going to the top menu, top view, and this is our grid that we can work on it. If you activate the grid snapping and turn off all of those snapping, if you want to draw a polyline, as you can see, we snap on a grid and you can draw your shape. For example, draw a shape from here and another draw a shape from here. You can snap to the grid as you want. Right click. First, we are going to here. You can turn off or on grid snapping. And here we have some icons that we can change the settings of that. For example, here we two category. Those change will be affect just active viewport. Going to double click on it, going to foreview. For example, going to the perspective and right click. For example, if you want to show the grid lines, turn on or off. Grid axis, this green and red. Grid war axis icon, I mean this. For example, you can turn it off. Just in perspective, active view. If you want to change it in all views, go to the all views and, for example, hide the grids. You can do like that. Or right click, tick on that to show the views, the grids again. Or this icon. Set a snap size 1. It means 1 centimeter or millimeter or inches with which unit that you select at the first of beginning. I mean, going to the help, about, and here in a new, you can select your unit first, or you can change it anytime that you want. Going to the top again, when I going to right click, going to settings, the setting of the grid will be pop up, and here you can choose those settings apply to the grid, all viewports or active viewport on the top. And I want to tell you this: minor grid line spacing 1 centimeter. It means this a small cube or this small light lines are minor. Those are minor, that it is 1 centimeter that you can change it. By default is 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter, or 1 inches. And this is those bigger cubes that there are more saturation color, the gray. There are major lines. Going to the distance linear line, for example, that line I draw, this is 1 centimeter and this is big 10 centimeter. Going to settings, you can change it. For example, if you want to, this line from distance will be 5 centimeter. And here you can change the major lines every 10 minor lines. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 minor lines create 1 major line. You can change it. You can, for example, 20 major line create minor line create 1 major line. As you can see, we have 1 centimeter and we have a 10 box here, makes a 10 centimeter and 1 major line. Here is the grid line count. You can change any number. For example, a little number, hit OK. As you can see, we have a little grid count here, but the dimensions will be not change. If you want to more grid to work, make a higher number that you want. Okay, as you can see, for example, 100, 200, and I want 500. These are not measured, just count. Here is a grid spacing. This is 1 centimeter. If you make it to 2 centimeter, when you're drawing, it snap to 2 box. Look at here. Click here. Instead of the snap to this, going to double 2 centimeter. Snap to 2 centimeter of grid. That we have to change the minimum number. Going back to the 1 centimeter. So you can change them, and I think the default is nice, but I usually don't use the grid snapping. It's sometimes confusing you, but it's here. You can activate it or deactivate it. There is a right click to access its settings. Okay, this is grid and grid snapping. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.